Hello friends, nice to see you again. Welcome to my happy kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Today we are going to make luncheonmeat rolls, which is simple to make and suitable for most people's tastes. There are 1,000 of recipes in my channel. There must be a recipe you like. If you don't know what to cook, just check it out and look for inspiration. And don't forget to save the recipes. I'm afraid you won't be able to find me if you slide away. It's so easy as once ingredients are ready. Just flatten spring rolls skin and place luncheon's meat on it. Fold inward and roll spring rolls skin to wrap it. Rub spring rolls with cooking oil, air fry at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Golden brown delicious luncheon meat spring rolls is easy and delicious. I share delicious recipe every day. There are 1,000 of recipes in my channel waiting for you. If you like cooking, follow me now and save the recipes too. Thanks for watching.